Hello, word. I'm Alex, and welcome to your daily dose of English vocabulary. Today's word is continuous. It's a B1 level adjective, meaning ongoing, without stop. So, continuous describes something that's happening all the time, without interruption. Think of a continuous flow of water or a continuous stream of information. Now, let's dive deeper into understanding this word. Continuous essentially means that something is uninterrupted, sustained, or ceaseless. You might hear someone say, "The rain was continuous all day," meaning it didn't stop raining at any point. Or, "She worked in a continuous effort to improve her skills," highlighting her persistent dedication. Let's explore some synonyms for continuous. One synonym is ongoing. For example, the project is ongoing and requires further attention. Another is uninterrupted. We could say, "We had an uninterrupted view of the ocean from our balcony." Another good synonym is ceaseless. Consider this sentence: "His ceaseless energy kept the team motivated." And how about sustained? The company experienced sustained growth over the past year. Finally, we have perpetual. The perpetual motion of the waves is mesmerizing. Now, let's flip the script and look at antonyms for continuous. What words describe something that isn't ongoing? A good antonym is intermittent. Instead of continuous rain, we might have intermittent showers, meaning they start and stop. For example, the Wi-Fi connection was intermittent, making it difficult to work. Another antonym is discontinuous. Imagine a discontinuous line on a graph. It isn't connected. The data showed a discontinuous pattern with several gaps. We can also use the word broken as an antonym. The meeting had a broken flow due to several interruptions. Or consider sporadic. There were sporadic outbreaks of the disease in different regions. Another antonym is periodic. The company conducts periodic reviews of its performance. So, how can you use continuous in your everyday life? Well, you can talk about continuous improvement at work, striving for continuous growth. You could describe a continuous headache, something that unfortunately many people experience. Or, you might appreciate the continuous support of your friends and family. Think about phrases like continuous learning, which emphasizes the importance of always expanding your knowledge. Or continuous monitoring, indicating close observation of something over time. Here are a few more example sentences to solidify your understanding. The factory operated on a continuous schedule, 24 hours a day. Her continuous complaints were beginning to annoy everyone. The doctor recommended continuous monitoring of his heart condition. The continuous hum of the air conditioner was almost unnoticeable. The continuous flow of traffic made it difficult to cross the street. Remember, continuous means ongoing without stopping. We looked at synonyms like ongoing, uninterrupted, ceaseless, sustained, and perpetual. We also explored antonyms such as intermittent, discontinuous, broken, sporadic, and periodic. I hope this episode has helped you understand the word continuous a little better. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. And now for the call to action. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their English vocabulary. And finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word continuous and share it as a comment below. Let me know how you would use this word in a real-life situation. Until next time, keep learning.